Hello everyone, I'm Denise Rhea Capulco. Today we're going to know how to use Gugo for our hair. What we have here is scissor, Gugo, water, jar for a container, and basin. First off, we're going to cut the Gugo into tiny pieces. So we have our Gugo here. Now we're going to use our container. Put the cutted Gugo inside the container. Now let's add the water in our container with Gugo. Set aside for 3 hours. So here's the Gugo after 3 hours. Put it in the basin with the Gugo itself. Squeeze the Gugo to have its extract. Now we're going to put the Gugo extract in our container. I also put a basin underneath her hair. Now let's apply the Gugo into the scalp and massage it thoroughly. And of course, don't forget to make chica with your client so he or she won't be bored when this is happening. After you apply the Gugo into her hair, massage it thoroughly. Now we're going to rinse her hair with clear water. While rinsing the scalp, make sure that you are massaging her hair. And of course, dry the hair of your client gently and carefully. And this is the result of the Gugo shampoo. Thank you!